You want to look smart in crypto? Then start with CoinMarketCap, the ultimate crypto dashboard. Prices, trends, top coins, top meme coins, and hidden gems. One site, every move that matters. Welcome to the Tech Flows. Today I'm gonna guide you step by step how to use CoinMarketCap. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribe, like, and share. Let's dive in. Okay, we're gonna enter coinmarketcap.com. Here on the homepage at the left, you see trending coins. So trending coins, you're gonna click on that and it's sorting all the trending coins on the market from top trending to less trending, sorted with prices, time frames like 7 days, 30 days, 24 hours, market cap, volume. You see all the details in 24 hours, which one was more trend. You can sort it by clicking on it. Now show you the best trend and less trends. Here you can also in the right time frame change it to 7 days, 30 days. Okay, now you click on this clock and you see recently added. So recently added is a place show you all the meme coins or coins were added newly to the CoinMarketCap or whole market. You see, in 1 hour you can sort them, 24 hour by FDV, volume, which blockchain are they, Solana, BNB, for example, Ethereum, added when? 52 minutes ago. So 52 minutes ago, this token added to CoinMarketCap. You can gonna check that. Maybe it's a good coin. It's great tool, actually. You see, showing you a list by price, time frames. Okay, and now here the next one is this eye icon. You're gonna click on it. Is most visited. So show you all the coins in market and CoinMarketCap that got most visited on. You see, and also sort them by price, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 day market cap. You can check them out, and if they were good, you can create a watch list from them. You see, for example, this TOAD coin, 24 hours, 35%, 7 day, 215, 30 days, 215, market cap, volume, everything. Even last 7 days the chart was positive, like this AAC coin. Also show you all the details. So most visited is also a great place that you can find a good coins and watch list from it. You see, the volume is $6 million and the chart is actually very bullish looking in 7 days, in past 7 days. You see, you can easily know what's going on in the market and how is this token acted last, for example, 7 days or last 30 days. It's great. Okay, here you're gonna, okay, now one click to the right, you see here trending on DEX scan. We're gonna click on that. Trending DEX pairs. So here show you all the trending DEX pairs on decentralized exchanges. You see, you can choose a blockchain, a network. See, Solana shows you all the meme coins on Solana. Ethereum shows you all the meme coins on Ethereum blockchains. Base the same. BNB, Arbitrum. It's great. You can sort and see the meme coins on their own blockchain and actually show you the TXN volumes, liquidity, FDV, price. It's such a great tool, guys, for a watch list you can use. It's so easy. And you see this flower looking, sleeve looking. You're gonna click on that. And live new pairs listing on Ethereum. Guys, it's great place here. You're gonna see the live new pairs that listing on specific blockchains. Like you can choose Ethereum and shows you on Ethereum. It's so great that you can see actually the new listing pairs. It's great. You see, age is 26 minutes. So it's only 26 minutes that this token actually listed in the whole market. And you can see it. It's so great. And show you all this. You see, age is 4 seconds, guys. 4 seconds. It's just so new. You can have a market by your eye easily and sort everything. It's just great. Okay, now this cup, you're gonna click on it, and it's community votes leaderboard. So you actually gonna see the action of the community. There were positive, negative, how many great likes they put or dislike. For example, shows you the name of token and the current votes, 2,244 positive, 3 negative, largest pool, the chain showing you in what blockchain is it, obviously, 24-hour TXNs, price in USD, 24-hour volume, liquidity, and FDV, which is 4 million. See, show you all the details. The community is also a very important part. So after community, which is a very important part, you're gonna come, community voice, one, click down, top traders, and you can actually see all the top traders in market, which is great. You see, show you and give you the wallet address. You can put it on all networks or Ethereum or BNB and shows you on a specific that blockchain. Give you wallet address, the traded token they traded on, 7 days realized profit. For example, the first one is 280K. 7 days unrealized, total profit, released ROI, total trades, last trades. It's so great. Give you a great and live data from the top traders. Is a very, very important tool that you can use. You see what top traders do, and sometimes they give you a very good information actually. So guys, actually top trader part shows you and gives the information of top traders, which they gain a great profit from the market, and you can actually use the information here. But what is ROI? ROI shows the percentage of a capital growth. For example, this wallet has grown its capital by 47%. Okay, on a home page, do you see now this market cap? It's actually all the money in the market, includes Bitcoin, stablecoin, Ethereum, meme coins, whole money in the market. And next one, it's CMC 100. The CMC 100 index. The CMC 100 index includes the top 100 tokens in the market, excluding stablecoin. It creates an index based on their market capitalizations and gives us a number here. The Fear and Greed Index is a powerful tool that shows us the current sentiment in the market. Whenever fear is dominating or greed is taking over, when it's in the red, fear is high. When it's green, greed is in control. It's the key indicator to watch, especially in the uncertain times. Then we have the alt season index. This one tells us when money is falling into Bitcoin and when it's starting to shift towards altcoin. When this index flips, it often signals the beginning of explosive altcoin rallies. Knowing when this happens can give you the serious edge. You can use that number to get sense of which direction the market is heading. Don't worry guys, we're gonna put the step-by-step guides are about this each icons. Don't worry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.